Hey, I'm Hugh, and in this video I'm making completely random emoji combinations. To make things really interesting, I used a random emoji generator. So here's the first combo it gave me. Man with veil, ballet shoes, beer, and the OK hand. Welp, I landed on the aftermath of a completely unhinged wedding party. Good luck to me. For inspiration, I'm stealing this Peter Griffin meme. First, I needed a body for our very drunk groom. So I grabbed a dancing woman emoji and stole her legs and arms. For the body, I'm just using the regular man emoji. Now comes the hard part. Attaching the legs. Is it how Dr. Frankenstein felt? So I stole the long skirt from the dancing woman emoji, reshaped it a bit with puppet warp, then painted in some extra fabric around the legs. Turns out I'm basically a tailor now. I also grabbed the arm from the raised hand emoji. No need to be showing off. I attached it to the groom, cleaned up the seams, and repeated the exact same thing on the other side. My favorite part has to be the beer and the OK hand. This guy looks completely wasted, but he still holds on to that beer like it's the most important thing in his life. Then I moved on to the face. Gave the groom a little makeover. I added some eye bags and raised his eyebrows to give him that I've made terrible decisions kind of look. The eyes must be the easiest way to tell how drunk someone is. That and the amount of flirty emojis in the text at 2 AM. So I made one eye shut, then moved the pupil on the other so he's awkwardly staring off into space. And finally, the finishing touch. A hanging tongue. And a little bit of drool. Beautiful. And that's what I got. Finally, an emoji for when your friend asks how your night went, but words are simply too much effort. Let's see if you could use the next one. The randomizer showed me a sunset, a broken chain, a penguin, and a cig. For some reason, this immediately reminded me of that meme where the penguin slowly walks away from the group. So that's the direction I'm going with. I'm using the sunset as my background, then placing the owl right in the middle. After that, I dropped the penguin on top of it. Sorry, owl, I only need your body. And recolored it to match the penguin. I placed the cigarette right next to the beak, then trimmed the tip a little, just so nobody thinks this penguin fake smokes for the aesthetic. Quick spoiler, this isn't the only character in this video who's about to have an existential crisis, but we'll get to that later. Penguins can't exactly float on nothing, so I gave him a door instead. Seems like a pretty reliable way to get across the water, right, Jack Dawson? There isn't actually a broken chains emoji, but I think that's basically the vibe they were going for. Freedom, breaking free, you know? And while our penguin quietly sails away to rethink his entire existence, let's see how it can be used in a real-life situation. Let's keep moving. We've still got 4 more emojis left. Next up, we've got a beaver, a jellyfish, a coffin, and a window. Yeah, apparently we've got a full-on crime scene on our hands. Unfortunately, our beaver slipped on a jellyfish, flew straight through a window, and landed right inside a coffin. Landing inside a closed coffin doesn't sound like a great time, so I used generative fill to have AI open the lid for me. And before anyone says, ew, you used AI, don't worry, I worked hard too. I had to repaint whatever. This was supposed to be inside the coffin. Then I moved on to the beaver. I separated the top half and straightened it out so it actually looks like he's flying toward the coffin. I did the same thing with the tail. Stretched it out a bit so it looks like it's flapping behind him while he's flying through the air. For the paws, I borrowed them from the skunk emoji. Cut them out, slapped them onto the beaver, and called it a day. The face needed some work too. I redrew the mouth to give him this sad little expression, then borrowed a pair of eye emoji and painted some eyelids. Poor guy really looks like he knows it's over. Turned the window into one solid pane so it'd actually be possible to crash through it. Then I added some broken glass in the middle and scattered a bunch more shards around it. After painting them blue, they finally started standing out against the white background. Finally, the jellyfish. I used perspective warp to flatten it onto the ground like a pancake and stretched it out a little so it actually looked like someone had slipped on it. To make extra obvious what happened, I left a tail print right on top of the jellyfish. I placed the beaver's tail over it and used the layer blending options to press the shape into the surface. Now the whole accident actually tells a story, which raises an important question. Who's actually the victim here? The beaver or the jellyfish? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, we've still got 3 more emoji combos left. And of course, I saved the hardest one for last. Next up, guard, drooling face, rescue helmet, and a yo-yo. I think the randomizer finally decided to cut me a break. This is probably the most normal combo I've gotten so far, so naturally, I had to make it weird. I leaned into this really uncanny vibe, like something you'd see in a dream and immediately try to forget. The yo-yo gave me an idea. Instead of using the object itself, I borrowed the color and turned the whole guard green. Then I swapped in the tired eyes. Now he looks like he's been standing in the exact same spot for the last 15 years. At least he's employed. Actually, double employed. Cause I put the rescue helmet right on top of his security cap. Then used puppet warp to squish the cap underneath so it actually fit. And that's it. Let's not distract the poor guy. He's clearly got enough on his plate. We're getting closer. Only one more combo before the final boss. This time we've got moose, goblin, frame, and bikini. The second I placed the moose and the frame on the canvas, the idea was there. What if I turn it into one of those mounted hunting trophies? You know, the ones you see in the beginning of a movie and think, uh-oh, this ain't gonna end well. So I kept the frame, deleted the picture inside, and replaced it with the moose. Then I put the bikini bottoms on the antlers, and the bikini top right next to his face. I'd like to believe that this trophy hangs in some rich family's mansion. The parents went away for the weekend, the kids threw a pool party, and the moose got caught in the crossfire. Positive thinking. All I really needed from the goblin emoji was the attitude, specifically the angry eyebrows. I stole those, put them on the moose, then painted his face slightly red so he looks absolutely furious. As a final touch, I adjusted the bikini a little so it fit him. Better? Sorry buddy, guess you're staying like this forever. And now, the final combo. Also the hardest one. Chicken, squid, ladder, and a glass of milk. So, how was I supposed to make this make sense? Maybe a squid milking a chicken while she's standing on a ladder, so he can fill up a glass of milk? Does this make me creative, or should I be a little concerned? Well, if you're gonna milk something, you're probably gonna need an udder. So I borrowed one from the cow emoji and stuck it onto the chicken. Then I painted a few extra feathers over it to make the transition look as natural as possible. I've never been milked before, but I can imagine it's a rather strange experience. So I borrowed a regular eye emoji, moved the pupil down into the corner so the chicken looks like she's side-eyeing whatever the squid is doing. Then painted in the eyelids and wrinkles to sell the expression. Then I moved on to the squid. I used puppet warp to pull one of the tentacles closer to the body and curl the tip a little. Everything else I had to draw by hand. I needed the tentacle to actually grab the udder. Never thought my drawing skills would be preparing me for this. I also painted the rest of the tentacle so it connected naturally back to the body. But then I realized, who milks a chicken into a glass? We need a bucket. So I took the top part of the milk glass emoji and placed it onto a bucket emoji instead. Then I added a few drops falling from the udder into the bucket. Gotta make it clear the milking is happening right now. And if you thought this was already completely unhinged, as the final touch, I added a cow licking the milk straight out of the bucket. Yeah, I think this is where we stop. Let me know in the comments which emoji combo you'd actually use, and which one you'd rather erase from your memory forever. And also, watch this!